This is the AI News Flash for May 17th, 5 p.m. UTC. First up, OpenClaw, the Chinese-developed open-source agent framework, is fundamentally transforming how AI models are built and operated according to a detailed analysis by the Register. A new category called agent harnesses is bringing decisive structural changes to both LLM inference workloads and semiconductor CPU architecture design. Unlike conventional chatbot inference, agent harnesses orchestrate multiple LLM calls, integrating tool use, file operations, code execution, and long-term memory management. Token consumption per task balloons hundreds of times, fundamentally rewriting inference cost structures, latency requirements, and memory hierarchy design. CPU vendors Intel, AMD, and ARM, alongside custom ASIC players Broadcom and Marvell, are accelerating inference-optimized chip designs for agent workloads. This aligns with NVIDIA's Grok 3 LPU inference dedicated racks, Feynman architecture, and inference shift strategy, positioning agent harnesses as the core technology of the AI semiconductor supercycle Phase 2. OpenClaw exceeded 135,000 GitHub stars at unprecedented speed, with Tencent WeChat integration, Xiaomi MiClaw, and Alibaba's world-first Shenzhen Longgang District policy subsidies symbolizing the rapid expansion of China's agentic AI ecosystem, alongside U.S. agent tools like Claude Code, Godex, and Cursor. This marks a critical milestone in the global AI agent standardization race. Second story. The Washington Post published a notable opinion piece arguing that AI will not replace lawyers, but rather increase their numbers. As legal industry AI disruption narratives dominate, this fundamentally different perspective has gained widespread attention as an important counterargument in the industry. The article argues that AI tools streamlining legal research, document review, and contract drafting will create structural changes, enabling small businesses and individuals previously unable to access legal services to obtain them. Rather than shifting the demand curve downward, the economic logic suggests new market development will expand total demand for legal services. This contrasts with the rapid growth of legal specialized AI markets including Harvey, Legora, Thomson Reuters CoCounsel, and Anthropic's Claude for Legal, against Goldman Sachs's AI job risk report identifying 44% automation risk for legal work. This represents a notably optimistic employment forecast attracting significant attention. Alongside California Law School AI education mandates Boston Public Schools AI literacy requirements and Harvard Business School MBA curriculum AI integration. This becomes intertwined with complex issues including legal industry AI era education investment, AI lawyer licensing debates, and AI hallucination fake case citation problems. It positions as the most important labor market discussion of 2026. Third story, shocking experimental results showing users perceive AI system response confidence significantly higher than actual AI internal certainty have been reported by phys.org. This represents critical academic research demanding fundamental re-examination of AI governance, hallucination problems, and enterprise AI implementation reliability. Multiple psychology experiments consistently confirmed that users perceive AI model responses with low internal confidence scores as confident and definitive answers. A systematic perception gap between the surface tone of AI responses and actual epistemic certainty has been quantitatively proven. This aligns with Deloitte's survey showing 47% of companies make major decisions based on AI hallucinations, $67.4 billion in annual economic losses, and 76% of companies implementing human verification processes. MIT's Humble AI research, uncertainty quantification mechanisms, and the importance of explicit refusal features for low-confidence responses have been reaffirmed. With OpenAI ChatGPT, Anthropic Claude, Google Gemini, and consumer AI chatbots expanding rapidly, this directly impacts AI output quality assurance, reliability display, user education, AI literacy, and regulatory framework design. It represents decisive research highlighting the biggest bottleneck for ensuring autonomous judgment reliability in the agentic AI era. Fourth story. Qualcomm's AI pivot and massive share buyback program are quietly rewriting the company's core investment story, according to a detailed analysis by Simply Wall Street. The strategic transformation from smartphone semiconductor giant to edge AI inference, automotive AI, robotics AI, and data center CPU markets has drawn focus as the biggest point in institutional allocation decisions. Qualcomm is fully deploying an AI semiconductor ecosystem strategy, including Snapdragon X5G modem AI image processing extensions on device AI inference enhancement, Dragonwing IQ-10 series processors, long-term strategic partnership with Neura Robotics, humanoid robot commercialization acceleration, Samba Nova investment, AI server CPU market entry, and leveraging its dominant position in 5G, 6G modems. The company is simultaneously executing a $20 billion share buyback program, 15 to 20% annual share count reduction, free cash flow shareholder return maximization, and dividend payout ratio increases to satisfy institutional investors' short-term return expectations. Adoption of Qualcomm modem chips in Apple iPhone 17, Pro AI processing, and 300 million AI phone deployment in Samsung Galaxy S26 establishes its position as a major AI smartphone market beneficiary. Alongside NVIDIA's $5 trillion market cap, AMD MI355X liquid cooling next quarter, Broadcom Q1 AI semiconductor $8.4 billion doubling, and TSMC AI chip $1 trillion supply chain centrality. This represents a key case in AI semiconductor supercycle beneficiary stock selection. Amid Michael Burry's AI bubble warnings, Peter Thiel's NVIDIA stock sale, and institutional AI semiconductor allocation selection phase, Qualcomm's unique positioning marks a notable inflection point. Fifth story, Alibaba stock may be one of the safest ways to play the current AI boom. According to notable analysis published by The Motley Fool, among China's AI Big Three of Alibaba, Tencent, and ByteDance, its standout positioning across all three factors of valuation, cash flow, and AI cloud business growth has refocused attention amid the institutional reevaluation of Chinese AI. Background factors include the Qwen 3.6 series open-source models, Wukong Enterprise AI agents, Wukong AI Assistant, Alibaba Cloud's 5-year $100 billion AI capex commitment, CEO Eddie Wu's direct oversight of AI strategy, and full-scale entry into the enterprise AI agent market. AI cloud business 9 consecutive quarters of triple-digit growth, 34% AI compute price hike monetization shift, and Q4 March net profit 84% decline, followed by 2026 AI-led regrowth expectations frame market sentiment. As a core player in China's OpenClaw ecosystem with DeepSeek v4 open source strategy, Huawei Ascend AI chip procurement, and construction of China's independent AI ecosystem self-sufficiency framework amid U.S. AI semiconductor export restrictions, Alibaba has established strategic positioning fully aligned with the global institutional reevaluation of Chinese AI. Amid U.S. AI-related stock valuation inflation, NVIDIA's $5 trillion AI bubble concerns, Michael Burry short selling, Peter Thiel divestment, and Norway government pension fund 35% value loss risk warnings. This represents a symbolic case in the shift from U.S.-dominated AI investment themes to global diversification. Alongside Hong Kong IPO 27 Chinese AI company listing rush, it signals the formation of a third axis in 2026 AI investment themes and a fundamental rewriting of institutional allocation strategies. That's all for this AI news flash.